United saw off Harbour in a comfortable 2-0 victory at Harbour, and Dunbeholden versus Tivoli was an exciting 6-goal thriller which went in favor of Tivoli. But guess what? That's not even the match of the week. The match of the week has to go to, should I say World War III? maybe that. It has to go to Waterhouse versus Vere Phoenix at Waterhouse, where all hell broke loose.
You see all them little boy that will come out. I'm a billionaire from a 6-year-old. Eh? And I'm stabbing on my back.
You had to fight. Bring up stars. We saw a picture the other day, and many persons are upset about the whole
If Dylan never put something like that out, I would have never called it.
31. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully guys are doing good and everything is okay. So we're gonna do the review of the games. Before that, yeah, they're gonna hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Alright, so we'll start off. You know what? I'm gonna leave that game there for the last game because it's the hottest game for the day. It's the hottest game for the game week. Yeah? Despite anything else it will go on. Now, and I also have some other aspects of that game that I need to discuss. Some things that I didn't like, some things were really kind of good for certain aspect, but you know, we're gonna discuss that. Anyways, let's touch on the first game, Dunbeholden versus Tivoli. Now the thing is, Dunbeholden at Dunbeholden will always be a tough game for any team, but Tivoli made light work of it. Goals coming through Rashan Holefield, Damien Baines with the equalizer in the first half. You know that mean obviously Dunbeholden I tried something, but as the second half started, Anthony Russell, who is in fine form right now for Tivoli Garden, with a brace in the 40th and the 51st minute. Taris Winter finding back at the second goal for Dunbeholden, but unfortunately it was just not enough because Lennox Russell finding the back of the net again for Tivoli. And I think he did score last week again, so he's in fine form as well. Anthony is also in good form, but pretty much it's not comfortable, but a dominant win, or should I say a dominant display by the Dunbeholden and by the Tivoli Garden team, especially playing at Dunbeholden. Next matchup, Portmore United versus Harbour, and I thought Portmore United made light work of the game. Harbour did not necessarily trouble Portmore United. They did got some 1 or 2 chances, but they were just not clinical in front of goal. And the Portmore United team they look very good right now. They're finishing game very strong. So, and that's a positive. That's definitely a positive. Jaime Rose in the 35th minute with a brilliant finish, a wonderful finish, dismantling the defense, laying down the centre back and the goalkeeper, and slotting the ball home nicely. Then now in the 88th minute, Orlando Russell with a brilliant dummy there. I think who dummy, but I don't remember. Cross inside the box, then a dummy, and then Russell with I thought it was a very good finish from Russell. So Portmore United with a comfortable 2-0 victory at Harbour. Finishing game very strong too, so that's definitely in itself a very good look. Now, the next game of the day is Vere versus Waterhouse, but I'm not touch that. I touch on that last because I try manage the time of the video. Anyways, next game day, which is on Thursday, we had Chapleton Maroon defeated Umberland 2-1, and this is a very crucial win for Chapleton Maroon, and this actually really complicate the relegation battle because Umberland got a victory last week from Umberland beat Harbour. Let me see, give me a second, people. I don't like that, you know. Yeah, them beat Harbour 1-0, and then now them go lose to Chapleton. It's tough. It's really tough. That go for sure the level of inconsistency, and most definitely Umberland could have gotten something from this game as well, because Stephen Barnett kind of missed a penalty in the 50th minute, and they just couldn't find back their way into the game. Good showing there. I think overall it was a good game by both teams, and that's us football. So Chapleton Maroon with that victory kind of eased some pressure over them back, just trying to ease themselves out tight. Next match on the day was Montego versus Molynes, and this was most definitely a huge smashing. I predicted 3-0, 4-0, and it was actually 5-0. Oh, goal scorers in the Chapleton Maroon Umline game, my apologies. Javel Ellis in the 2nd minute, Damar Deacon in the 17th minute, Stephen Barnett in the 27th minute, and Stephen Barnett again missed the penalty in the 50th minute. Oh, sorry, back to the game. Montego Utd Thrash Molynes, and sure what's happening with Molynes right now. And they have to be very careful, because if they're not careful enough, they might find themselves drifting into the relegation battle as well, because the relegation teams are drawing very, very close to them, and they're taking a reverse back closer to the relegation team. So they have to be very careful. 5-0 thrashing. Jordan Fletcher with an hat-trick, opening the scoreline in the 4th minute. Jordan Fletcher. Then in the 24th minute again. Second half started. Early second half, 54th minute. Fletcher again, and Owen Gordon on the 84th minute to finish the game. Oh, Brian Brown in the 73rd minute, and Owen Gordon on the 83rd minute. Funny enough, so want to look at these people, right? All that goals them scored. Listen to the time to the goal they scored. 3rd minute, 23rd minute, 53rd minute, 73rd minute, 83rd minute. Third. Anyways, it was really funny to see. Anyways, alright, so let's get to the final game of the game week, which is the game I said I want to touch on. Is Vere Phoenix versus Waterhouse, and there's a lot of emotions in this game. So Waterhouse have quite a few players who coming from the Phoenix Academy, and for some reason, they are not having it with Butler. And the tensions through in the game. Now, the interesting about this game is that I personally thought that Phoenix, I really thought that Phoenix would have won the game. I thought that they could have won the game. They were in good position to win the game. No, they were leading 1-0 for the first half. Quite a lot of yellow cards in this game. They were leading 1-0 for the first half. Elvis Wilson and Kevin Atkinson was in a little tussle. Elvis Wilson got the red card. Kevin Atkinson, all he had to do, just relax. A huge reaction from Kevin Atkinson. I think it was on Bolt Barrett. I think Bolt Barrett like pushed him. And the reaction, referee said, no. Red card. And I'm telling you, it just kicked off from there. But let me tell you when things really got heated. When Dylan John came onto the pitch right away. Kyle Butler anti him skin. Right away. And you can just the game itself, you could sense the tension, you can sense the bad blood. And right through it. So Denzel McKinsey scored the opener. Actually, I thought it was a very good goal, really good goal. Not just the finish itself, but the build up to it. That looks like some training. That looks like that comes straight off our training ground. That's actually a very good goal. And that was actually in 32nd minute. And I thought that Vere Phoenix was actually playing quite well until the emotions got the best of them. Leonardo Jimson, I thought was having a good game. Found the equalizer in the 78th minute. Then the thing a little bit after that, the thing kind of just sprue over. Quite a few yellow cards. Kyle Butler got a yellow card as well. He could have gotten a red based off certain aspect of the game. Then in the 90+3, because at this point the game was basically 2 teams of 10 man, games a 1-1. They fouled Andre Fletcher at the edge of the 18-yard box. Knowing how this situation set up, this like written nice stars. Dylan John scored the free kick. Just written nice stars. But Dylan John steps up and he hit ball straight into the wall, and Andre Fletcher with the follow through and scored on the 90+3 minutes in the game. And it was crazy, be a celebration because Waterhouse, excited to get the win. Especially the time when they scored, say very unlikely that Vere are going to come back in that game. Now, after full time, things got heated again. And like, you really wanted this thing really to cool down. The former Phoenix players, them going over to the bench, to jeer the Phoenix boss, and it just never too well. You can see even Akeem Bernard going over there, and there's a few players now, and there's a question I think a lot of persons should ask: why the former Phoenix players them are so upset with Craig Butler? And I think that's a very, very fair question to ask. Why are they so upset or angry with Craig Butler? It's a very fair question. Anyways, but it just got away at the end of the game, and Kyle, and it's more so Kyle Butler doing a lot, and some of the other Vere players. Overall, I thought it was a lot of excitement, and I see a lot of persons bashing the league for it, because I'm like, at first I see players that behave like that. No, I think if you ever watch Boca Juniors versus River Plate, then you will see some crazy stuff. But in general, I really enjoyed the game. I thought that this game week was actually a good one, especially for me as a Portmore United fan. But same thing said. Anyways, now going any further, big up on yourself, smash the like button. Top 6 I get solidified now. Relegation kind of soon decide. The thing I get sticky. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, please subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. You know what I mean? Out.